So this is one for all you bay window owners out there that want to get your van really low. This is our rear chassis notch kit. As you can see, it comes with several components to it, and we've designed this basically to make your lives a whole lot easier by prefabricating and welding on this bit on the back. You basically slide this into the gap above the chassis, nestles in there perfectly, weld this in, trim out the chassis, then you can put the face plate on and then the infill in the underneath. Makes the job really easy. Made out of 5mm steel, CNC plasma cut on our CNC plasma cutter here, so you know it's going to fit. Tried and tested, fitted on loads of vans now, works a treat. If you're running really low, chances are you may want an air suspension setup as well, which we also do. So this kit works with this chassis notch kit. We've got the brackets and all the fixings, 2 Dominator airbags by Airlift, and this will get you dropping that van onto the floor and lifting it up to a sensible height. So the full kit with the bags and everything is $495, and if you just want the chassis kit alone, that's $135. You can find that on our website, and we'll put a link to that under the video. Cheers guys.